Looking to sharpen your knife skills, remember these tips the next time you're slicing and dicing. First, a sharp knife is a safe knife. Dull knives lead to more injuries since more force is needed. Need assistance? Big Y offers complimentary knife sharpening in our meat department. When chopping, use the claw technique. Simply tuck your thumb behind your fingers and curl fingertips inward. As you cut, gradually move your hand down the length of the item. This technique will save you from cutting fingertips. Finally, remember that how you cut makes a difference. Small cuts are great for ingredients you want to spread throughout, like garlic. Larger dices and slices are great for ingredients like bell peppers. Remember, larger cuts generally take longer to cook. Practice these skills with recipes on BigY.com. Until next time, be well.